Printing on boxes. Printing on boxes is my specialty. I absolutely love to impress all of our clients with a very nice keepsake. We send them the invitations in a box like this, which is a keepsake, more general. Sometimes we personalize them. It's very nice to receive an invitation box that's personalized. But today I'm gonna personalize this invitation box because we are going to send out a folio to one of our couples who is getting married in October. Size of the box, which is 11 by 7.5. We usually have a preset file, which is the kindly deliver to, and we just change the name or we adjust the size. We paste it here, and the names of our clients are Regina and Alex. We change the name, Regina and Alex. And we save the file in black because we want to print actually black. The box is white. So file, save as, box file, save. We also want to print the jig of the box, basically the rectangle, where to place the box on the printer table. And the way we do this one, we just keep the artboard and we create a rectangle the size of the box. File, save as, box, jig. Save, save. Now we print the jig and the text on the box. We have the box jig and the box file. We open them in raster link in Illustrator. The jig box. Let's print it again in the middle of the table. It's to make it easy. UVPT, rip and print. This works great. And now we go to the printer and just press remote on the printer. In the meantime, while the jig is printing, we set up the next file to print on the box. We can use white under. Change it to 80%, just so we make it a little more wow factor, even though it's not necessary because the box is white. We could have chosen print or even clear under the black layer. Composite, create. Now we always have to make sure that the size we set up to print on this box is actually the size of the jig. You always have to remember the size you set it up, and in this case it's very easy, it's just the size of the table. You can see the text, kindly deliver to Regina and Alex, and to make sure it doesn't overspray we have to choose LD2, and then here it's rip and print, start. Now that we printed the jig on the table, we actually have to remove half of the height of the table because the box is too high. Make sure it doesn't move and it's flat. And now we go to menu, head height, and we have to make up for the table spacer that we just removed, and instead of 0 this time is 50. We have to send the job to the printer. Let's go back to the station into raster link and just press start to send the job, and you can see it here. It's preparing and reading. Okay, now we are back at the printer and we just click remote because there is a job waiting for us. It says data remaining. It's always nice to personalize invitation boxes for the clients to make a wow impression.